Usually you can see Pikes Peak through there. Not today. Here we go. I mean, everything looks really good. Intercooler's on and tightened. The radiator is on and secure. She's on there. I mean, I can shake the car from it. Piping is good. I've got vacuum hoses. This one needs to be redone. Need to use that tubing over there. For that, got the wiring ready for my O2 sensor to output narrowband to the ECU. I'm waiting on my boost gauge because the one that I ordered had one of those weird compression fittings and I didn't feel like messing with that. So Amazon overnighted me, one day shipped me a cheapo boost gauge. So that's cool. Thank you, Amazon. That should be here any minute. And then filling it up with fluids, getting the ECU plugged in, and bring my laptop out and should be able to start it. Super hyped. So I will check in with you guys as soon as the boost gauge gets here and get that installed and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll check in with you in a few. Got the boost line run through. Got the wideband wires run through. I have to wire them up to the fuse panel down there. Got to wire them up to the fuse panel. Run a wire over to the ECU over there and get that all set up and then should be good to go. So, all right, that's progress. Well, everything should be wired up correctly. I don't know, we'll see. Gauges are in and this is the P28 ECU. Have my harness here and the line that's run through here, this guy is for my wideband, so I'll be able to cut this. So yeah, I'm gonna wire this up, get the ECU plugged in, try and load a map onto it. We shall see. Oh. So I just gave it a little crank over, see if anything leaked. Sounded good. Okay, let's go look. So yeah, it's coming out of the drain plug that I didn't fucking tighten. Good job, Steven. Let's tighten that. What a noob. Okay. There goes nothing. There we go. Fuel pump is not priming. Why? Let's figure out why. No kidding. She's leaking a little fuel, but she's running. Wow. Nothing leaking down here except some coolant. Wow, it actually ran. So yeah, guys, First start, it actually runs. Got to fix a little fuel leak. Other than that, I think she's ready to tune tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out, Cub Scouts.